there we go. I'm standing right at the corner of what looks like a Venetian castle wall. Here's the flag post, and at the top, of course, is you can see the Greek flag. So I'm going to go down and have a look around. Well, I'm back down now in the courtyard, and we think these might have been jail cells. There we go, that's where I was, up there right in the corner, overlooking almost everything here in Chania. Okay, so that's where we've just come from, and we're right down on the harbour now. Looks very nice. You can see just behind the boat is the lighthouse, which we're heading for. There we go, there's a closer shot of the lighthouse at the end of the harbour. Well, I'm in the heart of the Venetian dockyards now, and this is the main dockyard building. I'm walking along, hopefully to turn the corner over there in the distance and walk all along the harbour till I get to the lighthouse, which is quite a way actually, a lot further than I thought. There it is. I'm about a third of the way along now, and there seems to be a pathway on the wall itself, which is what I'm following. It's a very nice setting around. You can see the rocks here in the foreground. Over there is the airport, that kind of direction. Plenty of ships, but this is the way I'm heading. I'm now looking back at the harbour. Very pretty place. And as I come around a little bit further, you can see I'm standing pretty much next to the lighthouse. Well, I've just walked to the top of a mound. I think this might have been where an old fortress was. Someone broke some glasses down there. But this is a great aerial view now over the city. As you can see, there's the church there. There's another bell tower just on the left with a blue dome just at the top. And you can see right the way around to the sea and the harbour down there in the distance with the lighthouse. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see the lighthouse, and then further round again is the old town with some very pretty looking houses and buildings. Well, just walking now through some of the smaller back roads. This is a tiny little back street. There's some really small hotels down here. The Hotel Amphora is this one here, and looks like they've got their restaurant downstairs and their reception upstairs. But it's just a typical little hotel that is pretty close to the sea. Actually, it's 2 minutes walk down to the sea. But yeah, these back streets have got some real character. Another little hotel. It's a bit like a maze actually. There's so many different directions you can take. So now I'm going to go this way, and I think if I turn left at the top here, we'll be back to the harbour. This is a very pretty church in the middle of Chania, slightly inland now. We're heading back towards the bus to catch the bus back to the hotel. We haven't stayed long today, just a couple of hours. Lots of shops. You could probably spend a day just going in and out of all the different types of shops. Another separate day down at the harbour, looking at the buildings and the harbour wall and things like that. But for now, as I said, we're going to head back to the hotel